living room,
客厅
air conditioning,
空调
air purifier,
空气净化器
armchair,
扶手椅
blinds,
卷帘
bookcase,
书柜
bookshelf,
书架
ceiling fan,
吊扇
chair,
椅子
clock,
时钟
coffee table,
咖啡桌
cupboard,
柜子
curtains,
窗帘
desk,
书桌
fan,
风扇
fireplace,
壁炉
flowerpot,
花盆
frame,
画框
furniture,
家具
light lamp,
灯
magazine,
杂志
magazine rack,
杂志架
painting,
画
pet bed,
宠物床
photo,
照片
piano,
钢琴
picture,
图画
pillows, cushions,
靠垫
plant,
植物
remote control,
遥控器
rocking chair,
摇椅
rug,
地毯
side table,
边桌
shelf,
架子
sofa,
沙发
table lamp,
台灯
tea table,
茶几
television,
电视
television stand,
电视柜
throw blanket,
扔毯子
vase,
花瓶
window,
窗
wood floor.
木地板
That piece of furniture doesn't fit in the living room.
那件家具不适合摆在客厅
We bought a comfortable armchair.
我们买了张舒适的扶手椅
Shall we put the bookcase against the wall?
我们是要把书柜靠着墙吗
The curtains make this room beautiful.
窗帘使房间变漂亮了
She felt warm only when she sat in front of the fireplace.
她只有坐在壁炉前才感觉到暖和
This painting is worth a lot of money.
这幅画值很多钱
Is that a picture of me?
那是我的照片吗
He is a piano prodigy.
他是个钢琴奇才
He rocked back and forth in his rocking chair.
他坐在摇椅里前后摇晃着
She leaned on the back of the sofa.
他斜靠在沙发的背上
Please turn off the television.
请把电视关掉
Who broke the window?
是谁把窗打破了
Please smash that like button before you go and join us next time when we'll talk about things you'll find in a garden shed. See you next time.